Hello, everyone. Welcome to New Tech. I am with another quick tutorial. How to fix cannot open the file because the file path has more than 260 characters. Try shortening the path or filename. Now, let's start. Go to the one step back to the folder. Then, right-click the folder and select Rename Options. After that, enter the short name for the folder. Here, I give one to the folder. Now, go to this folder. Then, check the file by opening. Great. It's working. If you have any difficulty, then do not hesitate to comment below. Okay. That's it for today. I will see you in the next tutorial, with amazing and interesting topics. And, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel.